How you doing, Mike? Innovative Door. Today we're going to show you a 412 roof pitch track. Okay, follows the roof line. They give you some nice beefy springs for that. They give you some nice beefy brackets. They give you a nice bracket there and up there. Flag brackets, beefier. Here we go. Hormann 3200. 11 gauge hardware, nylon ball, skirted wheel, absolutely smooth as glass. And that's the door right there in the up position. We're going to complement this with a jack shaft opener. So we do roof pitch track. Let me show you the door in the down position. This is a pinch resistant door. You can see usually if you do this with a regular door, your fingers would get smashed, but that won't happen here. And they got the nice prairie glass on there. That's the door. Roof pitch track by Hormann, 3200. For your garage door needs, Innovative Door, 632-719-343. Visit us online at www.innovativegaragedoor.com. Like us on Facebook. We'll like you. Check the description for further links and details. There it is, beauteous. And as always, I encourage everyone to praise the Lord. Thanks for watching our Hormann 3200 garage door roof pitch track video.